Today's video is sponsored by Dragon Touch, and this is the Kitty Cam W201 Kids Camera, the race car edition. This is the perfect first time camera for any kids, girls and boys alike. It is so sleek and it's a little race car. Look at that, it even has wheels that you put on the camera, has a beautiful protective case so it's not gonna fall and break out of their hands. It comes with a nice high quality lanyard, as you can see. It even comes with a nice high quality 32 gigabyte memory card. And one of my favorite things about this camera is it's rechargeable, which is unlike many kids cameras out there. And here is the USB cord for charging as well as transferring pictures. Now here's the first look at the camera. This thing is so sleek, and what I love most about it is it's not too big or not too small. You can also take this case off just like this and use it without the case, and it still has a nice protective coating on it. And another thing I forgot to mention is, look at that, it has a back facing camera and a front facing camera, so you can actually take selfies with this thing. This really sets it apart. To turn it on, you just press the shutter button on the top. It has a 3-inch touchscreen display. Let's go ahead and pop the memory card in. This camera is so good, it takes 48 megapixel pictures. It also takes 1080p video. Like, look at this thing. The kids are dancing around, having a good time. It has a great microphone. Like, this is just insane. This is an amazing first camera for anybody. Look at this thing. And what sets this apart even more is it has wireless photo and video sharing. You just click the Wi-Fi and there it is. You just connect and send. Super simple. Kids absolutely love filters and frames, and this camera has it all. You just press the icon and scroll through whichever ones you want to add. They have so many fun options. Look at this. This is so much fun. If you want to get rid of it, you just click that. And remember I told you guys about the back-facing camera? Check this out. Look at how amazing that looks. That's me right there recording this video. Dragon Touch really stands by their product. They have a 2-year free warranty. You just gotta activate it when purchasing. Kids love stickers, and they put a bunch of stickers in here for the kids to decorate with. They also got a quick start guide just to get you started on this. This I thought was amazing. The fact that they thought about this told me so much about them. This right here is a screen protector for the unit to make sure it stays safe and doesn't break. It also comes with these 2 rods to get the wheels set up. You just put the rod into the hole, attach it to the wheels, and it's that simple. It does not get any cooler than that. It goes from a toy to a camera. For video purposes, this could act like a glide cam. That is so smooth. The interface is so easy to use. Your kid will love this, and they'll be storing memories for years to come. We absolutely love Dragon Touch. We've used a ton of their products and they've all held up, and they're at a very amazing price point. To be honest with you guys, this thing should be selling for more. And if you look at the reviews, there's tons and tons of good ones. So check them out. The link's in the description. You will not regret getting one of these. Welcome back to another shopping video. Today we're just gonna do a little shop with me, just like we did the other day. Not looking for anything in particular. Well, actually, we did find something we already liked, but we'll get to that in a second. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe, join the family, drop a thumbs up as well. Check this out, guys. We just took back a fruit stand that we got. It just didn't fit our house. And this one right here is so pretty. And it's $24.99. I just don't know if it's just too big. Like, look at it next to a plate. Like, it's massive. So this thing would have to be really full.
That would be pretty on top of the table.
Yeah, but then we have all the stuff on top of the table. I don't know. It's so pretty though.
That could go in the middle of the counter.
What do you think? Let's put it in the cart. Guys, we came here for a bottle. And look at this. Everything here is $3. Look at this. Shoes. Boots.
Chocolate.
Boots.
I needed a pair of black sandals.
Look at that, man.
I think I'm gonna leave some shoes though, because honestly I probably won't wear it.
Do we got any Friends fans here? If you guys watch Friends, it is incredible the amount of money that they make off of residuals. If you don't know what residuals are, it's basically money that they make every time like their show gets aired or something like that. They make millions and millions of dollars. It's just insane. Look at this, only doing this for pizza. $3, not too bad.
Oh my goodness, so cute.
Look at the $5. And what, do you put change in it? Yeah, coffee fund.
That's so cute, baby.
That's my answer. Check this out. Love always wins. You know, this is only $5. Look at how interesting these lights are. $19.99. They even have the Edison bulbs in them. Those are super cool. Are they battery ran? Yep. That's super cool. It's a wine glass.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a gnome holding a wine glass.
I love that.
Or it's a gnome holding a heart in a wine glass. I love this stuff, but it's like, how do you store it, man? We don't have so much room, you know?
We need a bigger house. Somebody help me convince my husband to move. This is me and you.
No, that's me right there. Look at that. That's the most athletic looking rabbit I've ever seen in my life. Look at how wide his legs are open, dude. Well, which one's you and which one's me?
I'm the dog and Daddy's the dog and that's Mom and that's Jay.
What do you think?
I think I do this. This is good. Oh, I love that. Can you buy me that? Can you make me that? Let me take a picture.
You could totally make yourself that.
No, you make it for me because
This one's cute too. Jasmine.
Mama. Yeah, I like that. And that's cute because that's what the kids call me. They don't call me Mom. Let me take a picture.
Oh, look at that. Know your worth and add tax. Well, I love stuff like this, like natural looking stuff.
Yeah. Oh, on me, guys.
Oh, there it is. All right, you guys ready to see our family now? This is our family. Ready, Zay? Come on.
That's so funny.
Here we are, us four. Yep, there we are.
That's so funny.
And there's Mom. Look at, she's gonna be,
Hey, that's pretty cool.
that is actually,
Break.
it's not gonna break, don't pull it.
Don't pull it.
Look at this, Zay.
That's cool.
That's cute.
That is cute.
That was a big.
I like it.
Me too.
That's somebody.
We literally just bought a new rug a week ago.
But we're a Disney family.
Okay, but we just bought a rug.
That's what you get. $20. What are you gonna give me for Valentine's Day?
This is your face when I tell you don't have to cook dinner.
You're right.
Kind of creepy,
Are you
happy?
gonna tell me that again?
No.
Oh wow, you need this so bad.
Apology pad?
Yeah, you really need this. And
Why?
you need to write me these every day.
Oh my gosh, look at this. They're dice. Hopefully it lands on bad for you. We have now entered the dollar store. They even got a bunch of stuff on clearance. Everything in here is 50 cents. Nothing we could really use though. They got some placements though. 50 cents not bad. Look at all these cases, Jasmine.
I totally want to know.
Look at these are like really
These
nice.
look like Target brand, huh?
Yeah, they're really nice. Casemate, I think that's a name brand.
That sounds to me like Papa. Look at right there. They even have some more right there.
What?
The cheetah one.
Oh, that's Jasmine. That looks like a dollar store case. Look at that thing.
Behind it. It's cute.
Look at how nice these ones are. This is just like a fixed one.
Wow, that's beautiful. It won't fit my phone.
Look at this. There's more.
Those are just crystal gold.
Look at this. It even has a mirror.
Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. The only thing we bought was those shoes that you've seen, as well as that fruit holding bowl or whatever you want to call it, for $24.99. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. We have some more videos coming that'll be a little bit more interesting and fun. Have a good one. Thank you all so much for your support.